Yay! Oh, what a great intro. Yeah, that's it. The things we do for FPV. Welcome back, guys, welcome back. Bit of RC fun today. I'm here with NJTech. Neil is one of my oldest mates from school, and he's actually the man that got me into drones, so it's your fault.
Sorry.
So we've both got Avata 2's, and this is kind of, yeah, one of the reasons for like making the effort to meet up. We always end up leaving it too long, don't we? But so yeah, that's my one. I want to see how they fly together. You know, if you can't, well, we should be able to do two together. Shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, how do you actually do it?
Right, Neil's up. So Neil's just got the remote control. It's just literally turned up. So did you take off in normal mode?
I've switched to manual, but it won't quite get to me. Oh, there you go now.
You have to hold the sticks. How's it feeling? So far, so good. Well, I'm on the ground. So my control link. All right, I can see you in the camera.
Yeah, actually, the rates I've guessed are pretty
Sedate.
Pretty spot on, actually. Yeah, I upped them just without even trying it. Do you know what?
Yeah.
It flies a lot better in manual mode than I thought it would.
You reckon?
Yeah.
It does fly pretty good. Whoa!
Perfect.
It's powering.
That did really well, although I still need to get used to where to keep the power in and out. So there is a little bit of glitching going on, but I guess these two might need a moment just to...
Oh, is it? Have you got 60 megabits?
I've got 60, yeah. I guess they've just hopped around each other.
I'm taking off. I'm low down under this tree. So 60 megabits.
Tell you what, I'm genuinely impressed with how good this is.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Like, that's actually doing pretty well. The thing that I've got to remember, which everyone does who flies one of these in manual mode, is that there is much less inertia.
Yeah, I know.
So when you throw it, you've got to kind of keep some power in.
Yeah, that's the thing, you do forget that.
Yeah, I got it that time, that was nice.
What would be cool is if you could actually see, like the home position, you could see the other drone. That would be kind of sick.
Oh, I definitely think I'm going to be able to get some nice footage of this. Genuinely impressed.
Where are you?
Okay, if I come back to where we are, from the dirt just in front of it.
Oh yeah.
Are we recording, like in terms of what we're saying?
Yeah, I've got a GoPro running.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I can see you.
The other thing you can do, which will make a huge difference if you're practicing power loops, is running 4x3 and get the extra sensor information.
Oh yeah.
And then you only need to run about, with this 1.3 sensor, you only really need to run about 25 degrees.
Got ya.
You'll see everything.
Nice, I'm chasing you.
Alright, I'll keep it slow and steady so you can... Alright, I'm going to come up the middle of this. I'm going to follow this track.
Oh yeah, follow the track.
I'll keep my speed moderate.
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Yeah, that's wicked.
Okay, back
that is so
right.
cool.
Nice easy turn.
Formation.
Adding a little bit of power. Back down. I'm going to go back down this track. I'm just going to get a little lower.
Yeah. I'm almost coming up to the side of you now. I'm right behind you. Right, I'm going to back off a little bit. And then give it some beans.
Over this top, over this tree.
I'm going to go over the tree.
Yeah.
Sort of split S it round.
Split S round the left side. You know, under this one, left side.
Yeah. Whoa. Where are you?
Sorry, I ended up doing a Cuban power loop because I sort of lost visual on where the tree was.
I actually didn't format my... I'm sort of coming back towards us now. Oh yeah, I can see you.
If I don't follow you, right. You pick a direction, I'll try and...
Right, I'm going up towards the tree now, so I'm going under the tree.
Yeah, I'm following.
Got me. going to sort of like go around the tree.
Yeah.
I don't know what my tilt is. I don't think it's that.
No, it's
So
better.
under the
Slow,
tree.
slow is better.
Then follow this around. I mean, two of them together, like it's not even that noisy, really. They're so quiet, aren't they?
Yeah. That's already gone. Sound.
Yeah, it has. Quite low.
That's it. You stay there. I'm gonna get right up to you.
Only doing about 20-25 mile an hour.
Bit the awake there, which was quite cool.
Yeah, I'm going to go straight in between these two trees. I'm going to chance it.
All right, I'm following.
No scraggle. No, we're all right. Oh, it's quite tight. Up, over. It's just done a complete loop, but...
Oop, yeah, I lost it. That's what I was there watching you.
I'm back by the other tree now, coming towards us.
It's so easy to see you.
I know, it's mad, isn't
When
it?
you're at distance, like whenever I don't follow stuff on analogue,
Yeah, oh God, you wouldn't be able to do it, would you?
you'd have to be so much communication to
Yeah.
see where you both were so close.
But it's so kind of intuitive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so much easier. Yeah, I feel much more confident hitting gaps with this quad because it's smaller and it's got the prop guards,
Yeah.
and yeah, you've just got all the safety stuff as well, the return to home.
Go right out to
that,
this.
That resolution just makes following so much.
Are you behind me?
Yeah, right behind you.
Okay, I'm going to go round to the left and then come down that straight of grass, but alongside the trees, and then sort of come in front of us.
Oh, that's my
That's your other radio.
that's the other radio moaning.
And then follow it all the way down past us, down this track.
Yeah, I'm right with you. That speed is perfect.
I mean, it's not even that fast, is it really?
No,
But
in the super wide view, everything feels much more dramatic.
I don't think mine's on super wide view actually.
Oh, you've got to stick it on.
I've got to stick it on that. We're going right out. 50 megabits now, 26. No, back up to 60.
Back in the wake there a little bit.
Are you right? Are you behind?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll come back. Head towards that tree.
I'm at 55. I'm still pretty good.
What's that there? It's like a little...
Inactivity alarm.
Yeah.
I'll get some great footage from this one.
Oh,
Definitely.
sorry. I just didn't mention that. Follow this track.
Alright, you'll see me shoot past you.
Yeah, go on. Yay! Oh, what a great intro. Where are you going, round to the left or right? Oh, he's...
Inactivity alarm.
Do you know, I'd be interested to know how this will handle the yaw spin. I have to go up quite high for this.
Inactivity alarm.
Wow. Oh, no.
Did it drop?
was alright, but it didn't like the recovery quite. But it did it. It did do it. I mean, there is a limit to what you can expect
From a whoop, essentially. Yeah.
Exactly.
Inactivity alarm.
I've just got a massive grin on my face. It's brilliant.
Actually, if you follow me a bit, I'll try an acro in front of you.
Right, where are you?
If I'm going to the end of that little bit, I'm just going to turn round and somewhere in the middle.
Inactivity alarm.
Still 42% battery, it's mad.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh right, hold on.
Inactivity alarm.
I'm doing a little bit better. Mine's 59 actually.
That's about right, I guess, because I started before you.
Yeah.
Inactivity alarm.
Here I come. Right. Tell me when you got me.
Inactivity.
Where are
Oh,
you?
there you are, just gone past you.
Right, I'm following now.
Yeah. Right, so I'm going to go forward,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to just pop and do a roll.
Inactivity.
Right then.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Right, I need to get a little bit closer.
Inactivity alarm.
Say when, I'll do it again.
Right, okay, yeah, do it now. Yay!
Inactivity alarm.
That's wicked. Another one. So you have plenty of it has got enough power to do basic.
Oh yeah, 100%. But
Is it
I'm impressed because I've always felt that the FPV
Yeah.
really just was gutted. I kind of didn't have control of the PIDs.
Yeah, I know.
Whereas this, I'm a lot less bothered. They've actually done a really good job.
Yeah,
I would still love control of the PIDs, don't get me wrong.
yeah, I know.
But you still with me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Inactivity alarm.
Well, I'm actually up and over you at the minute right now. That's okay. Right, I just backed off a little bit.
Activity alarm.
Oh, around the edge. Whee!
Inactivity alarm.
I tell you what, this just brings
more fun than this.
it doesn't, does it?
Inactivity.
It's just like, it just brings a whole new dimension. I lost a quad in one of these trees around here, and I got it back 6 months later, and it still worked.
Oh no, you're kidding. Oh,
Yeah.
was it conformal coated or
No.
No,
It
was
just
still fine.
Yeah, it's just
Amazing.
rainwater, I suppose. Are you behind me now?
I can feel when the power drops off a little bit.
Yeah.
Like around 30%, I can feel a bit more. Let's go back to sport mode, normal mode. Pop the goggles up.
You landing?
Yeah, I'm gonna land.
Come back round. See if I can see you. Oh, you're on the ground now.
That was
It's absolutely brilliant, isn't it?
insane.
You just do the normal stuff. It's just easy, isn't it?
I'm just
How good is that?
honestly, I think that flies better for me. I've had a lot more time with the DJI FPV manual mode. I think that flies smoother. It
Yeah.
hasn't got that 6S punch.
No.
Let's quieten this down. Thank you. It hasn't got the punch of 6S, but I mean, in terms of when we talk about the voltages, what really matters is power to weight.
Yeah.
You know, that could be running on 1S. If the power to weight was
Exactly, yeah.
fantastic, then that's all that matters. What you do notice is definitely the lack of inertia, because the FPV's a beast. It's
Yeah,
heavy,
it's
and
got a lot of go behind it.
when you throw it, you've got a lot of momentum and inertia and you account for that in your piloting during manoeuvres like power loops. Whereas that, I think that's really well balanced. The fact that can be flown indoors and like survey a house
Yeah,
comfortably,
it's insane, isn't it?
and then
Really.
it can go outside and actually do some pretty good
Yeah. And that,
freestyle.
you know,
I'm
that
impressed.
chase stuff was it's just so much fun.
Oh, yeah.
And you're not going balls out.
Didn't
You
realise
just
that was open.
I'll keep doing that as well. But yeah, no, you don't need to be going completely mad. I think sometimes when you're on your own, you kind of just you're just going a bit hardcore because you're kind of trying to get that dopamine.
Oh, it's amazing. But for my first freestyle go of that,
Yeah,
I'm genuinely impressed.
it is good.
I'll be interested to see back the inverted yaw spin. So it went fine, it stayed flat during the manoeuvre, and then during the recovery, that's where it was very, it quickly recovered from the problem. But it's that same thing of you've got to keep these in clean air. If you let it fall into too much of its own dirty air,
Were you able to keep it pretty level in that?
Oh yeah, a bit
In
of
that
from the video.
inverted.
It stayed lovely and level.
Is that nice?
It didn't wobble or it held track nicely on axis. But,
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, and the battery's not even that warm.
No,
though,
they're
it's
not.
Cold. Yeah, very, very happy with that.
Yeah,
very happy with that.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Epic.